Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna explain the plus key hold versus press on your OnePlus 15. So actually, the only and one difference is when you set a different function. As you can see here in the plus key, we do have a lot of functions. For example, torch, camera, etc, etc. The main thing is in Mindspace. As you can see, here we do have tap to recognize, so only click, tap to recognize and save screen content. And here if I set this function and click, this picture will be sent to Mindspace. Touch and hold to save an audio. And now audio will be saved, but wait a moment. Now the audio will be saved while we are holding the button, and double tap will open Mindspace, as you can see. Double tap. And that's how it works. In different, as you can see here, functions, it does press hold to switch the device to ring, vibrator silent mode, do not disturb, press and hold to turn on do not disturb, etc, etc. And here we do have it descripted, so we do have the description of these options, and the only thing is that the function has its own bind. So yeah, there is no any other difference, only that. And that's it, how it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.